Hello, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use Acuity scheduling for fitness coaching. The first thing you want to do is go on to squarespace.com. Once on Squarespace, you're going to tap on Get Started. After you have done that, you'll be redirected to this page. Once on this page, there are numerous templates that you can choose from real quick. So for example, we're just going to select scheduling. After selecting scheduling, you can select one of these templates. After doing that, you'll tap on Start with this design. Then you'll be redirected to a new page. On this new page, all you'll need to do now, you could type in a name for your website right here and tap on Continue. Then you'll tap on Continue once more and select Getting Started. After doing that, you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option and you're going to select Scheduling. Once you have selected scheduling, you'll be redirected to your Acuity dashboard. On your Acuity dashboard, you can now create the different appointments that you'll be offering as a fitness trainer. So for example, we'll tap on Create Appointment Type and we'll be offering personal training. So we'll select Personal One-on-One and you could type in, for example, personal training. So let's do that real quick. So after adding personal training, all you need to do now, as you can see right here, you can go down and you could add in the duration. So let's say, for example, we'll spend 60 minutes or right there. Then you can set the price that you'd like to charge. So let's say $100 and you can tap on Create Appointment Type. After selecting Create Appointment Type, you can continue creating more appointments, and you can also tap on Set Your Availability, and this is where you'll be able to set your working hours. So for example, we'll be working from Monday to Friday and we'll start from 6 a.m. so we could do that right here. So let me adjust the time, so it will be 6 a.m. to 5 p.m. and you can also tap on the plus to add a new row if you want, so you could do that right there. But we'll be starting 6 to 5 p.m. as you see right there. Then you can also tap on View Additional Settings. After selecting View Additional Settings, you'll be redirected to this page. On this page, you'll be able to view your calendar as you can see right there. And you can see how it looks. You can also scroll down and you can set different hours for certain appointment types. So you can tap right there. And for example, you could offer consultation for 12 hours. You can also offer personal training at a different time. So you don't have to offer all services at the same time. So you can set up different hours for certain appointment types. That's how you will be able to do that. So we're going to go back and we're going to tap on Design Your Scheduling Page. This is where you'll be able to edit the appearance of your scheduling page. You can choose for it to appear daily like what you see right here, or you can go back and you could choose for it to set up to display monthly. So let me show you how that would look, so you can see how that would look right there. So you can choose whichever one of these templates you'd want. Then you can scroll down and we could select a business industry. So we're just going to scroll down and we're going to select fitness. After doing that, you could also upload your company logo and you could also type in any scheduling instruction that you would like to relay to your potential clients. After setting that up, you're going to tap on Save Changes. So now that we have edited it, you can tap on View Client's Scheduling Page so you can see how it looks. Once someone visits this page, they can tap on Book Personal Training. After doing that, they can select the time that they would like to book us for. Once they have done that, they can tap on Continue. After doing that, they'll enter in their first, last name, phone number, email address. Then they'll tap on Complete Appointment and they'll be redirected to the appointment section, to the confirmation section, just like that. So that's how they'll be able to do it. So once you have completed the setup as I've shown you how to do, you can tap on Link, and this is where you'll be able to copy and share your link. Another thing that you can also do is by going back. So if we were to go back to the home page, you can also create a personal website that you will be able to use to promote your personal training. So for example's sake, you could edit this website by tapping on edit in the top left hand corner. After doing that, you could customize the website to your liking. So for example, you could select the image that is currently there, tap on the pencil icon, then go over to the right hand column and select replace, and you could replace it with your image. After replacing the image, you can scroll down and you can continue editing each section. So you could change the text that is currently there and all of these other sections. And once you're finished, you'll tap on save in the top left hand corner. To view the pages on your website, you'll select pages from the top left hand column. From there, you could select classes and you could see the classes page. And you could also edit this page by tapping on edit in the top left hand column. And yet again, you could make changes to all of the pictures and also all of the text by simply selecting the text. Once you have made the changes, you can also edit the scheduling page. So you could select schedule and you can see the schedule page right there. And what I would like you to do is you'll tap on edit. After selecting edit, you're going to tap on this section and you're going to tap on text. So you'll tap right there and you can make changes. We could also tap on this section, tap on the pencil. After you have done that, you will see right there that our appointments have now been added, as you can see right there. So just like that, we have incorporated Acuity scheduling into our Squarespace website. So once someone visits the scheduling page, they'll be able to book us, as you can see right there. So you're going to tap on save in the top left hand corner and you can continue editing the website. Once you're finished editing your website, all you'll need to do now, you can tap on preview in the top right hand corner to see how it looks. Once everything is to your liking, you can publish your website, and that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button.